We back with another one, man. They done denied Smirk bail, man. This is crazy. But what's even crazier than that is the reason why Smirk bail just got denied. We gonna go over all that to try to figure out the hell he was doing on the phone with Diddy and R. Kelly, all this three-way phone call shit. They's already watching them. You know they watching them. They watching you too. The hell you doing on the phone with Diddy and R. Kelly? Hey, man, we finna get in all that. So Smirk had court today. Y'all know they took the lyrics out. They took the murder for hire out, even though he's still being charged for murder for hire. How the hell y'all do that? Wait a minute. Hold up. They took the murder for hire out, but he's still being charged with murder for hire? It don't make no sense to me, man. I don't get it. But anyway, a federal judge ordered that rapper Lil Durk remain behind bars pending his trial on murder for hire charges, citing a report that he is violating jail rules by using other inmate phone accounts and engaging in three-way calls. I told y'all he was on the phone with Diddy and R. Kelly and shit. Tweaking, talking about they about to do a song and it's gonna be hot all that. You know what I'm saying? So basically, the judge said, all right, look, the feds lied about the lyrics and all that. I'ma watch that. Drew Finland and Lil Durk lawyers, they got some good points. But it got to be an even divider. He acting a fool in this damn jail. So I'm not letting him out. He used other people's phones and accounts, and he been doing these damn three-way calls. Trying to get on some R. Kelly and Diddy and shit. You feel me? Like, so the judge ain't having. So it say, during the bail review hearing Thursday, U.S. Magistrate Judge Patricia Donahue said the rapper whose legal name is Durk Devontae Banks showed a disrespect for the rules by using 13 other inmate phone accounts at the LA's Metropolitan Detention Center. Now, I don't know what she said, using a phone account or whatever. Doing three-way calls. My whole thing is this. Every time you use any type of jail phone and say, you being recorded. So why would Durk be doing this? I don't know. Now, if he used 13 other people's phone, I wouldn't even do that because you know they gonna listen to all them calls, and if they hear anything wrong on any one of them calls, that's gonna get added to your case. But it had to strike a nerve with the judge because she based her decision not to get him bond solely on that. Nigga want to be on the phone with R. Kelly and them and shit. Like, you can't, R. Kelly and Diddy ain't. No, the judge not having it. She don't care about Lil Durk trying to hide his song with Diddy and R. Kelly and they trying to make a comeback and all. She don't care nothing about that. She saying, why is you on these three-way calls and you don't supposed to be doing that? And why is you using other inmates' account when you don't supposed to be doing that? So for that reason, he didn't get his bond. And let's see what else they had to say. Drew Finley, y'all know Drew, NBA YoungBoy lawyer, Lil Durk, everybody, all the rappers lawyer. You know what I'm saying? They say if you look like you through, 1-800 call Drew. Goddamn it, he gonna get you up out of there. So he said that the other inmates have done the same thing, and the defense team didn't see it as an issue that would prevent his release. Drew, what the hell you talking about? The other inmates done did it too. What the hell? Is the other inmates Lil Durk? What kind of sense that make? You was gonna sit up here and tell the judge, well, other inmates use other inmates' accounts too. Durk don't supposed to be doing that, Drew. But anyway, he said we didn't see that as an issue that would prevent his release. But you got to think, if y'all trying so hard for the release, and the judge need to make up her mind on something, she chose the one thing that ain't even in the goddamn indictment. Where the phone calls at in the indictment? Nowhere. And that's the thing she chose not to give him his bond. It say, let's see what else to say. He also told the judge Durk, who was wearing a white prayer cap, was committed to his Muslim face. Hey, she already know what they call Durk, the Lion King, King Mustafa, or whatever. You know he got the Lion King name. Hey, look, she know he Muslim and all that. She already know every other hour he pray to the east and all. She know that already. You know what I'm saying? She don't care about none of that. She trying to figure out why was he caught on that phone doing them three-way calls. Don't make no sense. Say Durk is accused of ordering the hit of Quando Rondo, a Georgia rapper whose cousin was killed in a botched ambush near the Beverly Center Mall in Los Angeles in 2022. Banks has pled not guilty to the charges. Last week, prosecutors filed a superseding indictment that added stalking and result a death charge. The indictment removed prior references to the lyrics that had previously said Banks used to commercialize the shooting death. So they took those lyrics out. Prosecutors previously said Banks had rapped about his revenge with music that explicitly referenced from audio clips of Bowman screaming no after seeing his cousin body. All right, so look, we gonna throw the lyrics out. The song was made before Lil Pop got killed. At a December detention hearing, Finland told the court that the song reference was recorded 8 months before the shooting. During Thursday hearing, Finland focused on the removal of those lyrics in the indictment, calling it probably false that his client had monetized and celebrated the death at the heart of the case. This murder case is not about the defendant's lyrics and it's not about his music. It's about his conduct, Assistant U.S. Attorney Ian Yanilo told the judge. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Miss Ian, if it wasn't about the music, why the hell y'all put it in there? Y'all the ones, see this shit I be talking about, man. Y'all the ones that put the music in there. We wouldn't be talking about the music if y'all didn't put it in there. Y'all put it in there, so y'all made it part of the case. Now that it ain't part of the case, well, it ain't about that. It was. it was all good just a week ago. It was about that a week ago. What the hell you talking about? Now it ain't about it. See, I'm going to tell you something. For that, you get a 10 on my doodle meter. I ain't going to lie to you. Straight doodle. Garbage. That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Like, but y'all say anything except for, yeah, they call us lying. And we made that up. That wasn't true. But anyway, it's Yanilo said the defense team had failed to provide new information that undermined the judge's original December ruling. Banks be detained. Referencing the jail calls, Yano said Banks will not follow when. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, listen. At the same time, though, the judge told y'all to come with evidence, and y'all didn't do that either. But it don't even matter because Durk and them want to get on all these different phone accounts and phone calls, knowing they're recording everything, knowing everybody there. Like, oh, I can't use the phone. What, man? Durk on my line. I mean, Durk got to use my phone. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, and now they making a big deal about him using the phones in jail is the reason why he don't deserve a bond. That shit crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Crazy. It's feeling repeated, referred to the allegations against his client as sweeping generalizations. If you are going to allege dangerousness, there has to be some specifics, Finland told the judge. If you threw 1-800 call Drew, goddammit. Although Finland said Banks was willing to hire around-the-clock security to ensure compliance with the conditions imposed by the court, the judge questioned whether the guards would be willing to report to the person paying them. After the hearing, Finland said the case against his client always comes down to one out of context text message. We feel that the 32-year-old man with no record shouldn't be entitled to time outside of the jail cell he can spend with his family and his colleagues, he said. Banks' trial is scheduled to begin October 14th. Now, I'm going to tell y'all the main problem with Durk case. And this was going to be boiled down to what's cooking him or not. Conspirator 2, right? Whoever that is working with the feds. And for some reason, they supposed to be one of the shooters, but they haven't got charged yet. I don't understand that at all, but that's what he got. So he got to figure out who that person is. Co-conspirator number 4 is the other person that's linked directly to Durk. Now, this is the craziest part about the case. Number 2 and number 4 is linked directly to Durk, but they haven't been mentioned yet. And I don't know what they said about the others. Of course, the shooter is going to be linked to the other shooters because they saying number 2 was one of the shooters. But in Durk case, that's the only thing that could cook him in this case. And if everybody else be quiet, because 2 and 4 got to get up there and say exactly what the feds saying happened with them and Durk. Now, if they don't say that, or if they don't get up there and testify and say that, Durk could beat this case and he can walk, which is crazy because everybody else going to jail. You niggas fucked up. Like, you niggas all at the airport grabbing bags and shit. You niggas packed up like I was going on a real trip. You niggas all at the car rental place, getting the cars. You know what I'm saying? When it did, that nigga stopped at the In-N-Out Burger, got a burger at the In-N-Out. Like, what was you niggas thinking? That's what I'm saying. Like, you niggas did it and didn't even try to hide. Niggas did that and went and got an In-N-Out burger. In-N-Out, goddamn, they eating burgers and fries, laughing and shit. Everybody, they all on TV and shit. Niggas, this is crazy, bro. So, everybody else, fried. I'm sorry. They ain't got no outs. They don't have a way out. This is the craziest part. All they have to do is not implement Lil Durk at all, and Durk can walk free. But I got the craziest suspicion that what's finna cook Durk is whoever take that stand and tell. Now, whoever take the stand and tell gonna have to be cross-examined by Drew or whichever one of Durk lawyers in that day to do the cross-examination. But I'm telling y'all right now, man, if somebody hit that stand and say, Lil Durk the one that paid us, Lil Durk the one that sent the, bro, it's gonna be over with. That's all the jury need to hear. Cause they don't got nothing else on, they have nothing else on him. So it's going to take somebody to say, yeah, Durk did it. And that's the only way he going down for it. Because they don't got nothing else. The lyrics fail. Somehow he's still being charged for a murder for hire. And they just said he ain't paid a motherfucker. Like, I don't even know how that works. So if I didn't hire nobody, if I didn't pay for nobody, that's no longer a murder for hire. But y'all still saying I got the murder for hire charge? It's a crazy situation, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, though, and check out my last video, man. It's your boy Buddha. I'm out.